Hello, I'm Roderick Carlisle, and I'm with ATI Restoration out of the Houston office. We received this water loss after hours. We showed up to the residents, and the homeowners were out of town. Damages or impact of the home started in the master bathroom, worked its way into the bedroom, down the hallway, to the den, to the kitchen, the guest bathroom hallway, toward the entry, as well as the dining room, living room that are connected. It also found its way into the garage. And what we're currently doing right now is called a pack out. We're going to log, tag, catalog all of the contents of the homeowner. We're actually going to load that into our vehicle, take it off site, put it in a controlled environment until it's time to return all the content back to the home. Once we're finished with the pack out of the home, as well as the detailed cleaning of the home and removal of all the floors that show signs of buckling, there is the build back. They'll replace the 2-foot glove cuts that we took out, as well as the flooring. Once that process is complete, we will return all the content to the home and restage them in the home in the origin that they were at. One of the things I love about working at ATI that I truly appreciate is being that one special person that can show up to help the homeowner. Because at the moment that they've been impacted of a disaster, you're there to help them get everything back in order. Once you begin on that road to restoring their home, the look on their face, the appreciation is worth a million words.